Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here at the art exhibition organized by St. Joseph's High School, Matigara. St. Joseph's High School, Matigara is a Catholic educational institution located at Matigara, Siliguri, West Bengal. I am super excited to share this experience with you all. The school organizes the art and craft exhibition every year, and trust me, it is amazing. You can see the talent which is growing in these young buds. The exhibition is divided in three sections: SUPW Art and Craft, Science Experiments, and Geographical and Social Studies projects. Let's take a look around and see what catches our eyes. This is the SUPW section. Look at the amazing artwork which is on display. Every single craft prepared by the students has been showcased, and it's incredible to see the variety of talents on display, from paintings to sculpture and from embroidery to pottery. You can see it all. We can also see the students have created some amazing art pieces using recycled material, from decorative lamps made from plastic bottles to beautiful jewelry crafted from newspaper. The exhibition showcases creativity and resourcefulness. Looking at the embroideries, we can see the students have demonstrated exceptional skill and patience in creating these beautiful pieces. From delicate floral patterns to inspiring quotes, every stitch tells a story. We can see so many knitted items such as scarves, hats, gloves. These students have created some wonderful items, from cozy scarves to warm hats. Every stitch is a testament to their dedication and hard work. How can we forget the tiny tots from the nursery and kindergarten classes? They have created the most adorable crafts that showcases their imagination and creativity. Their innocence and joy can be seen in every piece they have created. Let us take a moment to appreciate the incredible efforts put in by the teachers. They have worked tirelessly to help the students develop their skill, encourage their creativity, and bring out the best in them. Do you know what is the most amazing thing that I found here? Every single craft, project, and exhibit is on the display, and not even a single one is missed out. Let's explore the science section. Here the students have designed and conducted some really cool experiments, including various models of solar system and human body. They also have some innovative projects on renewable energy, robotics, and environmental conservation. Here in the Geography and Social Studies section, the students have created some impressive projects on different countries, cultures, and historical events. We have models of famous landmarks, maps of different regions, and interactive displays on social and environmental issues. As I look around these incredible exhibits, I am reminded that the talent hidden in the future of India is being nurtured and encouraged right here in this school. We are proud to be shaping the minds and talents of our future leaders, innovators, and change makers. I hope you all enjoyed this showcase. What are your views? Do let me know in the comment section. Bye-bye.